Welcome to my channel Travel Lovers, your portal to exhilarating adventures across the globe. Watch breathtaking travel experiences and subscribe today and become a member of our travel-loving community. Today's video is about Amsterdam is the capital and most populated city of the Netherlands. It has a population of 921,402 within the city proper, 1,457,018 in the urban area, and 2,480,394 in the metropolitan area. Located in the Dutch province of North Holland, Amsterdam is colloquially referred to as the Venice of the North, for its large number of canals, now a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Amsterdam was founded at the mouth of the Amstel River, which was dammed to control flooding. Originally a small fishing village in the 12th century, Amsterdam became a major world port during the Dutch Golden Age of the 17th century, when the Netherlands was an economic powerhouse. Amsterdam was the leading center for finance and trade, as well as a hub of secular art production. In the 19th and 20th centuries, the city expanded and new neighborhoods and suburbs were built. The city has a long tradition of openness, liberalism, and tolerance. Cycling is key to the city's modern character, and there are numerous biking paths and lanes spread throughout. Amsterdam's main attractions include its historic canals, the Rijksmuseum, the State Museum with Dutch Golden Age art, the Van Gogh Museum, the Dam Square, where the Royal Palace of Amsterdam and former City Hall are located, the Amsterdam Museum, Stedelijk Museum, with modern art, the Concertgebouw Concert Hall, the Anne Frank House, the Scheepvaart Museum, the Natura Artis Magistra, Hortus Botanicus, Nemo, the Red Light District and cannabis coffee shops. The city is known for its nightlife and festival activity, with several nightclubs among the world's most famous. Its artistic heritage, canals, and narrow canal houses with gabled facades, well-preserved legacies of the city's 17th century Golden Age, have attracted millions of visitors annually. The Amsterdam Stock Exchange, founded in 1602, is considered the oldest modern securities market stock exchange in the world. As the commercial capital of the Netherlands and one of the top financial centers in Europe, Amsterdam is considered an Alpha World City. The city is the cultural capital of the Netherlands. Many large Dutch institutions have their headquarters in the city. Many of the world's largest companies are based here or have established their European headquarters in the city, such as technology companies Uber, Netflix, and Tesla. In 2022, Amsterdam was ranked the 9th best city to live in by the Economist Intelligence Unit and 12th on quality of living for environment and infrastructure by Mercer. The city was ranked 4th place globally as a top tech hub in 2019. The Port of Amsterdam is the 5th largest in Europe. The KLM hub and Amsterdam's main airport, Schiphol, is the busiest airport in the Netherlands, 3rd in Europe, and 11th in the world. The Dutch capital is one of the most multicultural cities in the world, with about 180 nationalities represented. Immigration and ethnic segregation in Amsterdam is a current issue. Amsterdam's notable residents throughout its history include painters Rembrandt and Vincent van Gogh, 17th century philosophers Baruch Spinoza, John Locke, René Descartes, and the Holocaust victim and diarist Anne Frank. Due to its geographical location in what used to be wet peatland, the founding of Amsterdam is later than other urban centers in the Low Countries. However, around the area of what later became Amsterdam, farmers settled as early as 3 millennia ago. They lived along the prehistoric IJ River and upstream of its tributary Amstel. The prehistoric IJ was a shallow and quiet stream in peatland behind beach ridges. This secluded area was able to grow into an important local settlement center, especially in the Late Bronze Age, the Iron Age and the Roman Age. Neolithic and Roman artifacts have also been found in the prehistoric Amstel bedding under Amsterdam's Damrak and Rocken, such as shards of Bell Beaker culture pottery, 2200 to 2000 BC, and a granite grinding stone, 2700 to 2750 BC. Amsterdam has excellent quality of life, work opportunities, friendly and welcoming culture, English proficiency, flourishing art scene, festivals and events. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe, like, comments, and share.